Hey, today we're going to give you 3 tips to keep in mind when you're hiring a foundation repair company. We've been serving the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex since 1985. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We at Williamson are all about education, and our YouTube channel is designed to help you, the homeowner, understand all about foundation problems, foundation repairs, drainage corrections, all those things, so that if you are faced with them and you have to have that work done, you're going to be an informed consumer and have a better result from the company you use. We also want to make sure that we educate you to be able to avoid foundation problems. We're going to tell you everything we know and everything we can to try to keep you out of trouble and try to help you out if your house has problems.
Hey everyone, it's Roger with Williamson Foundation Repair, and I'm here today with Norman Seals, Senior Evaluator.
And we're here today with 3 more tips about how to choose a foundation repair company.
If you missed part 1, check the link in the comments. Be sure to watch it. Tip number 1, lifetime warranty, transferable lifetime warranty. That's a gimmick, guys. If it says transferable, watch out for that. It means you're going to have to jump through hoops. It does not mean that the warranty stays with the home. Our warranty is a lifetime warranty, stays with the house, no matter who owns it.
Tip number 2 for today, structural engineers. Every city, or almost every city in the Metroplex, requires having a structural engineer either approve or create a repair plan.
That's true.
It is very common for myself and the other evaluators here at Williamson to recommend to you to call an engineer. We'll even provide you with a list of several that we recommend, especially in complex situations where we're starting to do interior piers in a home. We do this because we believe it should bring you peace of mind to know that that engineer is working on your behalf and not trying to sell you extra piers like many companies do.
Hey Norm, if you were going to have major surgery, wouldn't you want a second opinion?
Oh, having been the victim of a knee replacement, several other knee surgeries, absolutely.
Yeah, second opinion's always a good idea, guys, but not just a second opinion, but a second opinion from a specialist. In this case, structural engineer. It's a great idea.
In case you're not real sure where to start with finding a structural engineer, contact us. We'll be happy to share with you a list that we have of 5 or 6 truly independent structural engineers that we believe you'll be very happy to work with.
Tip number 3, pushy salespeople. Pushy salespeople. As I was saying, tip 3, pushy salespeople. A lot of other companies are trying to close you right there on the spot because they know that if they give you the opportunity to shop around and talk to other customers, you may not end up being their customer. At Williamson Foundation Repair, we never ask you for the sale, especially not when we're there. We don't make big decisions on the spot. We never ask our customers to. So, if somebody's pushing you into a hard close, could be a warning sign, call somebody who cares.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions, be sure to put them in the comment section below and we'll get back with you.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our channel so that we can help you become a more informed homeowner. Thanks.